'Twas beauty that killed the beast.
I guess only girls are good at honest communication and sensitivity.
That does it. We were in a timeout, Foxy. Prepare to hurt. And I don't mean emotionally like I do.
Now look, Buck, you know I have the utmost respect for you. I mean, you were Buck Ace Cluck, our school baseball star. But let's face the facts. Your kid, he's nothing like you at all.
Okay. Thank you for talking to me. I'll take care of my son.
Dad, it wasn't my fault. It was Foxy.
That's all right. It's fine. You don't have to explain anything.
Hey, Dad. I was thinking, what if I joined the baseball team?
Sorry there, buddy. Sorry. Baseball? Son, we talked about this.
Yeah, right. But, that was when I was small. And, I put on 5 ounces this year. I've really bulked up.
Really, son? Baseball? Are you sure?
Oh, yeah. I mean, hey, why not, right?
Yeah, why not? But why?
Well, Dad, you were such a big baseball star in high school, I figured, hey, you could give me some pointers.
But son, I'm just wondering, maybe baseball isn't exactly your thing, Have you considered the chess team or the glee club? And then some teenagers, they get quite a rush from stamp collecting. You want to stop? We'll get some stamps.
No, I don't like
all
stamps.
Colors, colorful things.
No, I was thinking baseball. I can't wait to see the look on your face when I smack that ball in for a touchdown. Dad, I'm kidding. That was a joke.
Just do me one favor, son.
Sure, Dad, anything.
Just please try not to get your hopes too high.
Yeah, but Dad, I think I can.